Hello and welcome to Meadow Bakery. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble a Black Forest gateau. You start off by baking your cakes, which I've already done and I've let them cool. To watch a video on how to bake these cakes, click on the link above. You also need to make some chantilly cream and then you put it in the fridge until you need it. To watch a video on how to make the chantilly cream, click the link above. Then we need to make some syrup for the cake. So drain your cherries and reserve some of the juice. This juice you put it in a pot and then you add in some sugar and then stir until the sugar is dissolved. Leave this to boil until the amount is reduced and it turns into a syrup. Put this to one side and leave to cool completely. Now we need to assemble the cake. So you put one cake on a serving plate and use a pastry brush to brush on some of the liquid. Just rub it in and let it soak in. And then get your chantilly cream and spread some of it on top. And then add your cherries on top of your cream. And then put another cake on top and just repeat the process until you've got the last cake which you put at the top. Use some of this cream to decorate the cake on the sides and the top. So just get some of the cream, put it on the sides and just smooth it as much as you can. You can put some in a piping bag and pipe some on top of the cake. Just go around as neatly as you can. And then you can also pipe some on the bottom of the cake, going all the way around along your plate. And that's it. You can also grate some chocolate and then sprinkle some on top of the cake, on the sides of the cake. I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like inside. Nice clear layers of the chocolate cake, the cream and the cherries. It's nice and fluffy and it tastes great. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. For more videos like this, visit my website www.meadowbakery.com. Please like and subscribe to my channel.